To a new video. Today we're going to show you how to take out money from Absa Bank using a Standard Bank account. Okay, this is a Standard Bank. I'm going to insert it in here. Once you insert it, it's going to bring this menu. Okay, you see financial whatever, your financial institution change whatever, then you say yes. You say okay, enter pin, then you enter pin here. After, then you say next, say 150 whatever, I want 500. What I do, I need to my own amount, which I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, after putting that, then you're gonna say proceed, check rate whatever, it's a saving card. Okay, let's wait. Print slip, no, say no, don't need slip. Good new money, they gave me new money here, so I'm gonna put it here. We might count it after this. So the reason why I'm doing this is okay, let me put is that I don't want to go to Standard Bank, and a lot of people, especially Capitec Bank people, they believe you have to withdraw from Capitec. I withdraw from, if I'm using Standard Bank and all other banks, it's not very expensive to withdraw from a different bank. But now people have that mentality of long time whereby when you withdraw from another bank, you spend a lot of money. No, the difference could be maybe 50 cents to 1 rand. So if I can show you the queue, like if I tell you, okay, can you stand in a queue for me? I give for 20 minutes, I give you 1 rand. Will you do that? No. If you won't, so simply means don't do it for yourself again. Like it's the same thing. So what you do, go on any ATM and withdraw money by what? Just spending a little bit of one rand, only that. So that's why I was showing you that even if you're using Capitec, you can go, and you know Capitec is very cheap bank on charges and all that. So from Standard Bank and FNB, they are expensive, but it's still, they can't charge you more than that. So I took out 500. Maybe they charge me each 100 rands. They charge me, I would say maybe 2 rand or 1 rand. So maybe I spent 10 rand in that, even less. So I don't think it's a good idea to stand in the queue. You would have done something quicker and go do what? Go make more money than trying to save 1 rand where it's not necessary. If you know Capitec, how long the queues are, you better go to any ATM and take out money. So the ATMs are that side, you get me? So I find the Absa Bank in what we call in Pick and Pay. So that's why I say, don't let me take this chance. I don't want to go there and queue, and it's a little bit far, you can see. So I cannot save 1 rand and waste 20 minutes. In 20 minutes you can make even maybe 100 times than that money. You understand? So but other people, we're just trying to show you. We're just trying to show you what is better for you. Trying to show you what is better for you. But also I wanted to do a cashback. A cashback was gonna be a very good thing if it comes to like on Pick and Pay. But now the problem is it's early, it's 9, somewhere 9, so they don't have any money in the tills. So so they couldn't give me cashback. You see, that's the only issue I was facing. So yeah, since that's the only issue I was facing, so I was forced to use the bank, and I saw what was the easiest, another option to take out money. The option was to use Absa ATM, because it's the one they have in this Pick and Pay where I was. But also there is Time Bank, but Time Bank you don't withdraw on the machine. See, okay, let me take the trolley here. Guys, we do really encourage you to withdraw money from different ATMs. You will save yourself a lot of time. Okay, let me go in like this. Let's go that way. I've been doing a lot of videos on banks. If you check in our videos, you can see how to take out e-wallet, how to send, all those things. But if you want us to do for you a video on any topic, yeah, please guys, tell us, let us know. We will do for you a video. And please don't forget to help us and do what they call to subscribe. Whenever you subscribe on our channel, you give us more motivation, and also it tells YouTube that this channel is what is relevant to people, it helps people. So if you do that, really something which we want, and something which push us to do more. I guess you get me. In Woodmead Shopping Center, there is Absa Bank in Pick and Pay. Though there is also Absa Bank outside. Also, what I would say, Absa Bank is far from Pick and Pay if you're using Absa, but it's not busy as other banks. So taking out money, it wouldn't be that much stress. But now saving your time for walk, that's what we're fighting for here in this video. We want people to learn how to save time. Also, you have to go to Absa or to Pick and to any bank you're using to really investigate how much money you spend when you withdraw from a different ATM. So you might find that you've been thinking you're saving a lot, but you don't save much, and then time is wasted. So think about it. And try to save time. They are busy fixing this road in Woodmead Shopping Center here. That's why I can see there's a little bit of traffic. Guess if you know Woodmead, you know this place where I am. I think we're gonna use M1 to go. yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.